Hi, this is Rachelle Scrapcraftastic, and I have a big package here from Isis Ella Jewels. So let's dig in and see what we've got. Okay, so let's see what we have here. These are the focus journals. This one says, I'm not for everybody. This one says, balance is key. Let's start with balance is key. This journal belongs to 15 ways to balance your mind, body, and soul. Then life is all about balance. Ooh, a keyword search. You have space for a vision board, balance mind map, and some prompts here. Another mind map, more prompts. So you get several pages of mind mapping. And this is balance is key. It's a little workbook journal. Okay. Then this one is I'm not for everybody. Place to personalize. This has a coloring page. How cute. That's fun. Then a word search. 6 areas of your life you need boundaries. Then it says what to say to someone who doesn't respect your boundaries. What boundaries do I need to uphold? Okay. So you get multiple pages of that. What boundaries do I need to uphold? And then blank page. The paper is really heavy and nice. And these are stitched. They're not stapled, so that's nice too. Protect your journey at all costs. And these are thin, so they'll easily go into like a B6 traveler's notebook. And I believe they come in B6 and A5 size. These are the B6 size, so they can slip into your notebook. If you use something larger, like a classic happy planner, you have a cover or a pocket, they're thin enough to slide down in so that you can keep them with you and work in them that way. You can also decorate. They have room to decorate and have fun while you're focusing and working on yourself. So that's cool. Okay, so those, are the focus books. So let's get to the stickers. And some of these are new and some of them are restocks. So I think these are new lilies because I don't recognize them. I think they're new and kind of meant to work well with the journals. So this is Water Element Lily, Floral Goddess, Give Thanks, nice, In My Zone, Moon Sun, I like that one, Tapped In, The Queen, and The Goddess. She's cute. All right, and these I know are throwback because I've seen these. So this one is Hold Up, Say What? Sippin' Lily. Star Drink, I remember these. I kind of hoarded these a little bit. I've started using them more lately. Star Drink in red, so this one is red. This one is green. These will be great for Christmas, by the way. Lee's Ancestors Don't Play. This is upsetting me and my ancestors. Finna Get Ready. Then Lost Dolls. I think this is new too, because I don't recognize these. This is Lost Dolls 2. I think this is new. Maybe. I'm not sure. You'll have to go to the website and check. And the website and my discount code will be linked in the description box below. Reset My Energy Time. The Jewel Box Queen. And then here we go with some journaling squares. So these would work in the journals as well. Love Equals Action. bows and goals, New Year, New Me, journal memes, get started. If you recognize any of these, let me know in the comments. Release the goddess in you, purpose plus passion plus pleasure, take care of you, choose peace affirmation books, and elevate your thoughts. Then we have a full sheet of the diamond checklist, my keys to success long lists. I remember this one for sure because of the colors. I really like the colors. Queen's Court University. So it's like a mini kit. Manifestation, where the money reside. If you remember where the money reside, let me know in the comments. On the naughty list, I'm happy to have this one. This is great for Christmas. Then forgive yourself every day. And body yaddy yaddy. Okay, so that is everything that I can share now from Isis Ella Jewels. I will link to them in the description box below and include my code so you can go over and check them out. These are the new focus journals. Check those out as well. And we are going to at least start decorating in one. I'm going to do my best to use these. So I'm looking forward to the word search. I like things like that a lot. Which one do I want to start with? This one is more mind mapping and prompts. It has a vision board space, but let's see. This one has more pages. This whole thing is just right up my alley. So let's start with, what boundaries do I need to uphold? What steps do you need to enforce the boundaries? How will you incorporate your steps into your daily routine? All right, so I've pulled out Bloom Bear from Isis Ella Jewels. We have all of these stickers to work with. And let's see what we can do in here. Is this the one I want to do? Yeah, let's do this one because it's nice and simple. I'm not going to fill anything in, but I am going to decorate it and have it prepared to fill in. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do this. All right, let's see if there's anything we can work with here. Okay, I want to use these boxes in this area to cover these. Okay, so I'm trying to see the best way to line them up. I guess at the arrow. Yep. Let's use the green one. Is that going to be kind of straight? Mercy. This is harder than I thought it would be. Okay, that's better. I mostly covered it up. And then, where's the other one? I don't really want the blue, so I think I'll use the burgundy color. Okay. So there, that adds a little color. Let's see what we can put up at the top. All right, let's see. Kind of want to use this, but I don't know if I have any other stickers to match it. It says your garden is your responsibility. And let's see, can I fit this in here? I think we can. Okay, that's nice right there. Let's use this secure your spirit. All right, let me see, what else do I have here that I might be able to incorporate? I like this balance is key. We might roll with that one. And let's see, I also have my Kelva Plan florals that I really need to get some more of. And I think we're gonna pull some of those in as well, just to set the page off a little bit more. Let's see, I need some contrast here. And I'm just gonna put this right on the corner. And then use this balance is key. And that what is the other one? Balance is key. Oh, I should use that with this one. But no, I have two, so we can use one here too. It does have a dot grid, but it's very, very light. So I have to make sure that I'm lining things up well. Let's grab one of these smaller ones. Oh, that's coming up. Add that there. And then a little something over here. So it's just that simple. Let me see if some of the Isis Eligibles washi would work. I don't know which one to use. They all three look nice with it, I think. Do we want to go subtle? Do we want to go with more green to help bring out the florals? Let's try a little bit of the green and see what that looks like. I think I'll go with the green. Just a little bit here and there. And then a few up top. And there we are. Okay. That was quick and easy. So it's customized, still have room to fill in the prompts, but it's customized and brightened up, and it's a little more fun and cute, and you can do something different on every page. So these are really nice. I'm not for everybody, and then we'll do something another time in balance is key. Yeah, and even if you have like the right quotes, you can use your quotes to fill these in too. I don't think I have the right quotes at hand, but I could fill them in that way. All right. So that is it. That's everything that I got from Isis Ella Jewels. These are available now. I will link to them in the description box below and include my discount code that is available for most stickers. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.